Welcome to Vegan Fast. I'm Marcel Jeff. Have you ever woken up, look in the mirror and think, how can I get rid of this around your waist without giving up pancakes? Well, what if I told you there is a 10-minute routine that can help you burn fat without even needing to touch a treadmill? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But stick around. I'm about to take you through a morning routine that not only revs up your metabolism, but will also have you feeling like a superhero by the end of it. Welcome back to Vegan Fast. Here's the deal. I used to think that in order to burn fat, you had to spend hours sweating it out, jogging, jumping, lifting weights. The works. But one day, while mindlessly browsing through fitness videos like you're probably doing now, I stumbled upon something incredible. Meet Dr. Metabolism, aka the guy who changed everything for me. Okay, his real name is Dr. James Levine. But this dude is the one who popularized the idea of NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Fancy term, right? Turns out, the small movements you make during the day can burn more calories than an hour at the gym. So I thought, what if I could combine NEAT with a killer morning routine and turn it into a fat-burning machine? And thus, the 10-minute morning routine was born. You are probably wondering, what's the big secret? Why just 10 minutes? Well, here's the science. After a night of sleep, your metabolism is primed to kick into gear first thing in the morning. It's like a car engine revving up, but you have to give it the right push. And the best part? You don't need to do crazy CrossFit workouts or run marathons to get there. It's all about short bursts of movement that light up your metabolism like a match to kindling. Now, let me take you through the routine that changed everything for me. All right, time for the moment of truth. This is how I melt fat in just 10 minutes every morning. Let's get into it. Are you ready? First up, jumping jacks. I know. This sounds like something from an elementary school gym class. But trust me, there is a reason this classic works. It gets your blood pumping, wakes up your muscles, and sends oxygen flying through your body. Plus, it's just plain fun. I love it. At the 1-minute mark, you will start feeling it. That's your metabolism warming up. Think of it like preheating an oven, except instead of cookies, you're baking calories. Next up, we've got high knees. This one is awesome because it engages your core, gets your legs working, and boost your heart rate. Plus, it looks way more intense than it feels. You look like a pro, even if you're just half awake. Now, we are hitting the core. Planks are like the silent killer of workouts. They look easy, but after 30 seconds, you'll be questioning your life choices. Why am I doing this? Why didn't I stay in bed? Remember, this is a full body move. It's like the Swiss Army knife of exercises, working your core, your arms, your legs, and everything in between. And we've only got to hold it for a minute. Easy, right? Mountain climbers. This one makes you feel like you are scaling Everest from your living room. It's a cardio move that will make you sweating buckets in no time. Bonus points if you can picture yourself at the summit of a mountain while you are doing this. Or just imagine you are running away from Monday morning emails. Finally, the cool down. Stretch it out. After all that high energy movement, we gotta calm things down. A few stretches for the hamstrings, the arms, the back will keep you limber and ready to tackle the day. Think of this as resetting your body. We've stoked the metabolism and now we are giving it the cool off it deserves. Plus, stretching always makes you feel like you are super flexible, even if you are really not. So, why does this routine work? It's all about something called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Basically, after short bursts of intense exercise, your body keeps burning calories for hours. It's like lighting a fire and letting it burn long after you've walked away. Which means you can sip your morning coffee, check your emails, and your body is still in fat melting mode. Crazy, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. But can 10 minutes really make that big of a difference? Trust me, it's not about how long you walk, but how you do it. And if you keep at this routine consistently, you're going to start seeing results faster than you think. I'll be honest with you, I used to spend hours trying to lose weight, but I never had time for that anymore. Between work, life, and well, Netflix. But after incorporating this simple 10-minute routine, I started noticing changes in my energy levels, my waistline, my mood. It didn't happen overnight, but it happened without having to give up pancakes, for those who care for pancakes. So, if you've got 10 minutes in the morning, whether it's before work, after the kids leave for school, or even during your lunch break, why not give it a shot? This routine will have you burning fat, feeling energized, and ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. Plus, you'll get to eat your pancakes, right? Again, for those who care about pancakes, without feeling guilty. Now that's a win-win, right? Win-win. If you're ready to melt fat quickly and want more simple tips like this, then I highly recommend this video over here to learn how to fast intermittently from someone who actually has experience in it. Thanks for watching.
I'm Linda.
And I'm Ashley.
And we are the Jap Kids. Like
And subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.